Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing your app and device so location sharing works. Open the Facebook app and sign in, then grant location permission. Allow while using the app or always, so Facebook can send live coordinates. Make sure your device GPS and Wi-Fi are on because that improves accuracy. Once done, navigate to the chat or post area where you want to share live location. This immediate setup prevents permission prompts that interrupt sharing and ensures Facebook can continuously update your position. You now send live location via Messenger. Open the chat with the person or group, tap the plus or more menu, and pick location. Select Share Live Location rather than a static pin. This streams your movement for the chosen time. Choose a duration, typically up to 60 minutes, then tap Start Sharing. While active, your dot updates automatically so recipients can track you in real time. Make sure your phone stays online and the Messenger app remains running to keep updates flowing. You finish by sharing live location in a post or story when supported. Tap What's on your mind, choose Check-in or Location, and look for Share Live Location. If that option isn't shown, use Stories or Nearby Friends to broadcast nearby status. Before posting, set the audience, friends, specific friends, or only me so you control who sees your movement. To stop sharing early, tap the active location indicator and select End Sharing if something goes wrong. Verify permissions and restart the app to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.